Imagine this. You're cramming for that big exam, eyes glued to your notes, but tomorrow, poof, 70% of it vanishes from your brain. Sound familiar? It's infuriating, right? But what if I told you Japanese students crush over 2,000 complex kanji characters and lock them in for life without endless grinding? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover 5 brain-hacking secrets that flip forgetting on its head. Get ready to study smarter, retain more, and actually enjoy the process. Let's dive in and transform how you learn forever. Hey friends, I'm thrilled you're here because today we're tackling one of the biggest roadblocks to your success: forgetting what you study. You pour in the hours, feel that temporary high of productivity, but then it slips away like sand through your fingers. It's not you, it's how your brain works. Science calls it the forgetting curve, discovered by psychologist Hermann Ebbinghaus way back in the 1880s. Within just 24 hours, up to 70% of new information evaporates if you don't reinforce it. By day 3, you're left with scraps. Ouch! But here's the exciting part. You can beat this. Japanese education has cracked the code for centuries, turning average learners into memory masters. They don't rely on brute force or all-nighters. Instead, they use clever, science-backed strategies that align with how your brain actually builds long-term knowledge. I've dug through the research, tested these myself, and boiled it down to 5 powerhouse hacks. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to supercharge your retention/study time and build unbreakable habits. And trust me, when you nail that next test or project, you'll feel unstoppable. Let's jump into hack number 1 and start building your edge. First up, active recall, the samurai's blade for sharpening your mind. Forget passive stuff like rereading notes or highlighting everything in neon yellow. That feels busy, but your brain yawns and tunes it out, just like you skip those endless ads on your feed. Active recall flips the script. It's all about output, not input. You force your brain to pull info from memory, strengthening those neural pathways like reps at the gym. Picture this. You're studying history. Instead of flipping pages, close the book, grab a blank sheet of paper and jot down every key event you remember. Struggle? That's gold. It's where the magic happens. Studies from cognitive psychologists show this boosts retention by up to 50% compared to passive review. Japanese students live this. They quiz themselves relentlessly, turning knowledge into instinct. Why does it work so well? Because your brain loves a challenge. It's like training for a marathon. You don't get faster by watching videos. You run. Start small. After reading a chapter, test yourself immediately, then again later. You'll feel the difference fast. And here's a teaser for what's coming. This pairs perfectly with our next hack, turning tiny efforts into massive gains. Moving on to hack 2, the Kumon Method, your blueprint for building knowledge brick by brick. Ever feel overwhelmed by a mountain of material? That's where most people crash. Kumon, born in Japan, smashes that by breaking everything into tiny, digestible steps. You tackle one small concept at a time, mastering it fully before moving on. No overload, no burnout, just steady progress. Think of it like James Clear's atomic habits. He says improving 1% daily compounds to 37 times better in a year. Mind-blowing, right? Kumon embodies that. A kid learning math starts with basic addition, nails it through repetition, then adds subtraction. Over time, they conquer algebra without stress. Apply this to your studies. Break a biology chapter into subtopics. Cells first, then organelles. Spend 10 to 15 minutes daily on one piece until it clicks. The payoff? Deeper understanding and ironclad recall. No more surface-level skimming. You'll build confidence that snowballs, making learning addictive. And wait till you combine this with spaced repetition. It's like rocket fuel for your brain. Let's keep the momentum going. Hack 3, spaced repetition. The gardener's secret to growing unbreakable memories. Imagine your brain as a garden. Cram everything in one go and weeds, forgetting, take over. But space out your watering, reviews at strategic intervals, and your knowledge blooms strong. Here's how it works. Review new info right after learning, then wait 24 hours, then 72, a week, a month. Each revisit reinforces before fade sets in. Apps like Anki make this effortless, flashing cards just when you need them. Japanese students embed this in their routines, reviewing kanji in escalating intervals until it's etched forever. Research from the Journal of Experimental Psychology backs it. Spaced practice doubles long-term retention over massed cramming. No more exam eve panic. Start by noting what you learned today, review tomorrow, then extend. Feel that empowerment? It's real. But true mastery isn't just techniques, it's mindset, which leads us seamlessly to hack 4. Enter hack 4, Kaizen, your daily 1% revolution. Kaizen means continuous improvement in Japanese, and it's the antidote to procrastination and overwhelm. Forget heroic all-nighters. Focus on tiny, consistent upgrades. Even 1% better each day explodes into 37% growth in a month. Math doesn't lie. Japanese factories pioneered this for efficiency, but students apply it brilliantly. A quick daily review, one extra problem solved, a small habit tweak. In just 6 minutes, 2 on active recall, 2 on spaced repetition, 2 on practice. That's it. No exhaustion, just compounding wins. Visualize your future. Exams become breezy, skills stick, and you thrive without the grind. It's inspiring how small steps create giants. But to lock it in, you need focus. Which brings us to our final hack. Hang tight, this one's a game changer. Last but not least, Mushin, the Zen art of laser-sharp focus. In martial arts, Mushin is no mind, a flow state where distractions dissolve and you're fully immersed. Japanese students cultivate this to make every study session count. How? Build rituals. Designate a distraction-free zone. Same desk, same time, maybe light a candle or play soft focus music. These cues signal your brain. It's go time. Remove phones, set a timer, boom, you're in the zone. Science agrees. Rituals reduce decision fatigue and boost concentration, per studies in psychological science. Suddenly, retention skyrockets because your mind isn't scattered. Combine this with the other hacks, and you're a learning machine. There you have it, the 5 Japanese hacks to hack your brain, crush forgetting, and unlock your potential. Remember that frustrating forgetting curve? You've got the tools to flatten it now. Think back to a time you mastered something, a skill, a game. You practiced smart, adjusted, and won. That's your blueprint for everything. Don't let this video be another scroll by. Pick one hack, maybe active recall, and try it today. You'll feel the shift. The top performers act, the rest wish. Which side are you on? Drop in the comments. Which hack are you starting with? Smash that subscribe button for more life-changing tips on productivity, mindset, and success. You've got this. Change starts now, one smart step at a time. See you in the next one.